Forget blue whales and giant redwoods. The largest single organism on Earth is actually a fungus, spanning over 2,200 acres in Oregon's Mycology National Forest. This colossal living network is mostly hidden from view. It's not a visible mushroom, but rather an enormous underground mycelial mat, a vast web of fungal threads. This humongous fungus is specifically Armillaria ostoyae, commonly known as the honey mushroom. Its enormous size makes it the largest known organism by land area, weighing an estimated 35,000 tons. While the visible honey mushroom sprouts seasonally, the true giant lies beneath the forest floor. It spreads through black root-like structures called rhizomorphs, slowly consuming nutrients from dead wood and tree roots. Despite its impressive size, it's a parasitic organism, causing root rot disease that can kill trees. Scientists estimate this single organism could be over 2,400 years old, possibly even far older. This silent, ancient titan continues to thrive, a testament to nature's hidden scale.